Hi, this is Inga from Art of the Brush. Today I will introduce a mountain water landscape painting workshop where you can learn how to create a full landscape painting from beginning to end with accessible and simple guidance. In this class, you will learn what is landscape painting and what is the charm of the landscape painting in Oriental brush painting practice. You will start by preparing your workspace with the tools and the materials that you will need for this class. And then we will come back to the presence through bring our mind, body, and breathing together through some simple body movement and breathing exercise. During this class, you will learn different brush techniques such as outline technique, side brush stroke, how to create a rock and make textures, how to create trees and add on leaves. And aside from that, you will learn other painting techniques and objects such as how to paint boats on water and how to paint mountains in the far distance. And then at the end of this class, you will create a full landscape painting with all the brush techniques and skills you have learned through this class. As a bonus, you will also receive a video tutorial where you can find how to do the traditional wet mounting at your own home, so you can mount and stretch your painting ready for framing. I hope you feel inspired and ready to join me in this class. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and you can also find the workshop link below this video. Enjoy your practice, and I will see you in the class.